Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And oops, I think we left the gate open. So the chickens are free ranging today, which is fine. I'm going to show you the baby and mama. They're kind of funny because they see me come and they're like, oops, we're not supposed to be out here. And they all start going back to the area where they're supposed to be, but I'm gonna let them free range. There's no big deal. They just get into the garden sometimes, but I don't think at this point they can hurt any of my gardens. So I'm just gonna let them free range. This is what free ranging looks like. It means that they are out. They're not in a cage. They're not in a certain restricted area. It just means they get to be out and dig and find worms and bugs. And so free ranging actually is the best way to have your chickens. Look at this one. She's resting in a little comfy spot. I do think it's a hen. I really do. Are you enjoying that? Are you enjoying that? Isn't that she pretty, you guys? Definitely a Swedish Flower. She has her mother's on her chest. She's got her mother's markings. Oh, did I see? So if I walk towards them, they're gonna start thinking they have to go back in their pen. Let's go see what the other ones are doing. They're actually making a mess, to tell you the truth, but we're not going to worry about it today. Hi, ladies and gentlemen. It's kind of hot today. It's in the mid-90s. You're following the leader, which is Chuck. Chuck's like, are we not supposed to be out here? I don't like them digging around in my rocks, but I'm not going to worry about it today. They actually really do make a mess. What's going on? Hi, baby. So I'm going to be naming her. I think it's a hen. As soon as I find out, I'm going to be naming it. So I think I have a name picked out, but I'm boring when it comes to my names. Okay, so I'm going to ask you guys for help naming the chick. Hi. See what they've done? They've dug up where the rocks are. But it's okay. They're heading back to their, now I don't know how they got out because this gate is now not open. So let's go ahead and open it up so they can get back in. You know what I've noticed this year, and maybe I'm being premature about this, is there's not a lot of flies. Usually at this time, we have so many flies, it's just ridiculous. And we haven't had a lot of flies. Hi. Hey. So maybe that's a good thing, or I speak too soon and, you know, we're gonna get a ton of flies now. I don't know. So in the next couple weeks, we are going to rock some more. And I think we are going to rock this right here, starting by that little house all along here. And then we are going to rock probably this area. This whole area right here is going to get rocked, and we'll put a ring around this tree. So that's the plan for a couple weeks. We usually, look at the cucumbers hanging off of there. Usually we do it in the fall because it's too hot to do it any time else. Any other time, sorry. Yeah. But happy holiday. Today's a holiday, Monday. Retirement's weird because you forget about days. All days kind of blend, except for Sunday. What are you guys doing? Huh? They're digging away. Yeah, they're making a mess. She still has a little baby chick sound. It's kind of cute. All right. Well, I just saw them out here and I wanted to come out and show you that they're out, free ranging. What free ranging actually looks like. Hey, Stu. Stu. Naked neck turkin right there. Naked neck turkin. Swedish Flower. Going to town. Yeah, hi. Oh yeah, see, they're just making a mess. But we're gonna be raking this out and getting all these leaves. As soon as falls, all the leaves are done falling, we will be raking this out and getting it nice and clean again. So following them. But meanwhile, they kind of make a mess. Okay. Yeah, I know. You still have a cute little chicky sound. Hey, Mama. Hey, Mama. All right. Well, everyone, I hope you're having a blessed day. Yeah. Hey. And I will see you on my next video. All right. Thanks for coming to my channel. I appreciate everybody. Bye-bye. Where are you going?